Welcome back, guys. This is gonna be another 2-day video. The first day is gonna be me at my church's youth group, and then at me just biking around. You guys will see.
Heck yeah! All right. Good morning. It's evening. Good evening. Whatever time it is, Joe Squatters. Well, see, this is the only way that these videos work because he doesn't actually vlog. We just do it for him. Happy graduation. Woo! We're trying to play Just Dance, and it's not working. We're trying to play Just Dance.
Nothing is working.
Okay.
Yes, the blonde squad.
No. I'm playing. Too bad. I'm playing.
You are playing.
You can fight me.
You are playing.
Is this Joe Squatters?
It's Joe Squatters! Hi, Joe Squatters! I've never been in a video before, so Joe, you better put me in it. Hi.
Get out of my way, 'cause I'm weird.
So they're using Joe's house as a goal for playing soccer.
She was referring to a trash can because, you know, the last video I was in a trash can, so now she calls it my home. I'll remember this, Ariana. Watch your back.
I dabbed on him.
You're talking about his brat. Loser?
He Asianed on him.
Do we go like an elimination kind of volleyball?
I would be out. That's called see ya. Bye, Monica. No. Dude, I even like.
Do you want to join our elimination volleyball league?
No, we're not eliminating. That's
Yeah,
not.
no.
There's not enough of us to eliminate.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
No, wait, hold on. Hold the ball.
We're not eliminating.
Whoever touches it, like, if it's near you and you don't get it.
We're not eliminating.
Yes!
I don't want to eliminate.
That's
Stop
no
hugging
fun.
it. Not.
Control Alt Delete yourself.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Control Alt Delete is how you log in. Yeah, so what's up?
No pressure, Emma.
Yeah, we're good.
Whee!
No, what?
What are you doing?
What's that? Is AJ
This is the worst video ever.
Is AJ deleted?
He hates me anyway.
Straight fast!
I feel like she's taking a video. She's taking a video.
Don't
cry,
Ginger. Wait, what's wrong with Ginger?
Yeah.
Are we doing silly pictures?
Okay, ready?
Everybody
Ready?
jump.
Wait, don't hit each other though. You have to spread out.
We have to jump. Yeah.
Wait, I need to
There's short people in the front.
Yeah.
You could like spread out. You could spread out. Spread out. Spread out.
Yes!
Oh, I love High School Musical. Let it go.
Michael, get on Nick's shoulder.
Wait, are we jumping?
One, jump! I kicked my butt.
Wait, I missed it.
Wait, again.
One, two, three. Benny like that. Oh no! Benny's going down!
Right into a wall.
Jack, don't use Vinny as an airbag! Stop!
Dun, 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 dun. There goes Jake.
Benny like that. Oh no! Benny's going down!
Right into a wall. Jack, don't use Vinny as an airbag! Yes, me. Yeah, thank you.
What's up, dude? On my way, or dudes, on my way to my church's chapel. So yeah, I'm biking though. If you really love something and you really want to do it, heck, you'll find a way to do it. Hey, a bunny. But yeah, so I'm about to get on the main road right now, so I will catch you guys on the flip side. I have no idea if you guys can even hear me, because I imagine the wind's probably gonna be pretty bad. I'm trying to cover it with most of my hand as best as I can, but I'm on the sidewalk now. I'm off of the street. Only had to dodge a couple cars, you know, the usual. Just like I'm dodging all the haters in my life. Dab. So yeah, not sure why I just did that, but hey, not sure why I do a bunch of things. So yeah, I'm on my way to my church right now, and I know behind me, not behind me, but like above me, the sky, it doesn't really look like it's gonna rain, but I wasn't smart, and I decided to look at my phone, like the weather app or whatever it's called. I didn't decide to look at it until I was halfway there. So I went and looked at it because I was like, you know what? I just want to see what the weather's gonna look like. So I went, I looked at it, and it's supposed to rain like anytime now. So that's pretty cool. I mean, there's definitely rain clouds, just not the ones behind me, but the ones in front of me, which will be coming towards the direction that I'm gonna be going when I'm going home. So who knows? After my time praying, I may be in a race against rain. Now from experience, rain travels pretty fast. I don't know if any of you guys have ever been in like a race against rain, I guess we could call it, when you're like going somewhere and you're either like walking, jogging, biking, tricycling, speed walking, really anything outside that you're not in a car with, like you don't have something over your head. Stupid gnat. Like you're outside and you have nothing to cover you or anything, and like it starts to rain, because I have a couple times. Now I don't know if it's just because I'm not like the best at planning, because I'm pretty decent when it comes to planning, okay? So I don't think it's my planning time. Actually, yeah, it's probably because of my planning time. We live in Florida, okay? It rains a lot here, okay? But it's also like always shiny, or not shiny, bright outside and sunny. So, you know, I don't really think of checking the weather app. But today, this morning, it was raining. And it was like raining all day when I got home from school, until about like an hour ago. So in my mind, I'm thinking, oh, that's all the rain we're gonna get today. Ugh, that was a bump. So, you know, I'm like, all right, the skies are empty, you know, the clouds bladders are dry. It's not gonna rain. Well, I was wrong once again, because there's supposed to be a 45% chance of rain, and in Florida, sometimes it rains with a 0% chance of rain. So, but I mean, then again, we've gotten like no rain when there's like an 80% chance of rain. So
I don't know, like I feel like partially it's my planning of why, like, or how I've been caught in these situations before. But you know, I also think that it's one of those things that you can't really control. So, especially in Florida. Hey guys, welcome back. Just got done praying on my way home now. Yeah, the skies have changed quite a bit within the time that I was. Whoa! Hashtag. Look at my hair. Holy, or that wouldn't. I hope that doesn't become a hashtag. Yeah. So, I don't know how much I'm gonna be videoing on my trip back home, because I do want to make it back home before it starts to rain, because it looks pretty darn reassuring. It looks pretty darn reassuring that it's gonna rain. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it home as fast as I can. Sorry, I still do love you guys, just so you guys know that. So yeah, the next time we speak, I may be at my house already. I'm not sure, but gotta go. Peace. Okay, just a quick little update. I was going against the wind on my way there. I got something in my eye. And now I'm going against the wind on my way back. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. I just got hit by a couple raindrops. So, yeah, the next update is probably gonna be at my house, because I'm gonna have to start pedaling faster now because I don't want to get caught in the rain, you know. So, peace out. All right, guys, pulling into my house right now. The only rain that I got, besides the little drizzles that's coming down right now, was just the little drizzles. So yeah, you know, my planning is awesome. I don't know what you guys are talking about. It is fantastic. But yeah, totally thought it was gonna pour, but it didn't. So peace out.
Welcome back, Joe Squatters. It's nighttime and my nephew is asleep on my legs, so I kind of have to whisper. Yeah, this is the end of the video. So just peace out, Joe Squatters. Live your life while you can. Also, don't forget, daily dose of freedom. Boom shakalaka waka.